Flamingo chef, show us what you got with cocktails and dishes that hit the sweet spot.
Hey guys, Bill, the Kansas Flamingo chef. Thanks for joining me. A lot of you may have seen my video I did on air fryer chicken wings. Now, I love chicken wings. Okay, I keep them in the fridge all the time because I'm not a big fan of frozen wings. Now, obviously, when you're cooking chicken wings, you've got flats and you've got drums, right? Well, if you buy these things by the pound, cut up at your market, like today, I noticed they were about $5 a pound, and that's just nuts because you can buy them like this in a big bag, in a flat, for about $3 a pound. And all you got to do is cut them up. And then today I was even more fortunate. I found some on closeout. So I want to show you a knife skill that everybody ought to have in how to cut up to get a wing from this one piece into the two pieces that most of us are familiar with. This is an amazingly easy process that everybody ought to learn. So all you need is a cutting board, your chicken wings, and a pretty good knife. Now, if you want to do this with kitchen shears, you can, but I'm just telling you, it's easier with a decent knife. So there's only two cuts involved here. There's a joint here and a joint here. I start here, I just cut down, and if you're not sure where the joint is, you can kind of pull it apart, and you see how that opens up? All you gotta do is set the knife right in between there. And then on the other side, same thing. There's a flat and a drum. I'll do it one more time so you can see it again. Just spread your wing open. Take your knife down to the joint. Take it to the other side. This part gets thrown in the trash. You can turn this thing of wings, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17. That means you're going to get 34 pieces out of this for a whopping $8.50. I hope this was helpful. I hope it's useful. I hope you learned something. If there's another technique you'd like me to show you, all you got to do, comment on this video or send me an email, bill@kansasflamingochef.com. As always, if there's something you'd like me to make, questions, whatever, drop me a line, and I will see you soon. Eat fabulous. Have a great day.
Heart of Kansas under sky so clear lives a chef with a flair, bringing folks some cheer. With a pinch of love and a dash of zest, he's the Kansas Flamingo, and his meals are the best.